Hey guys, welcome to my home.
Hey, what's going on here?
Alright guys, today we are in the home of TJ Designs with principal designer Tracey Barber. Let's go inside. What you working on, Trace?
Hey Terry, how are you? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Alright Trace, tell us a little bit more about this kitchen. What gave you that inspiration?
Well, we built our home 8 years ago and we had a very dark island and a brown backsplash, and the kitchen was quite heavy in look, and as the trends became lighter in the industry, I wanted to lighten up the kitchen, but I couldn't afford to change the whole look. So I fell in love with Quartex Calacatta and I thought I'm gonna try it here in my kitchen first.
You know, I really like the backsplash of this kitchen. Can you tell me more about it?
Well, I decided that I was going to run the vanes a little bit differently. Typically, you would run them horizontal and book match them. But I decided to do something different and carry the veining the same direction as the island. They said it couldn't be done, but I thought I would try it. So I ran the vanes vertical, so they match the island, and that's why you get the distinct lines on the backsplash.
Lastly, what's next for TJ Designs?
Well, we have a very exciting summer ahead. We have a lot of kitchen renovations on the go. One of my favorite projects this summer is a 3rd floor loft here in Toronto. It's a complete renovation. We're going to be using some really neat finishes, some new appliances like a wine dispenser, a lot of your porcelain line. So I really can't wait to show you that project.
I want to thank TJ Designs for having us today, and stay tuned for the next episode because who knows, your favorite designer might be up next.